war, got soldiers at your door. What's that AK? What's that 38? What's that AK? Ukala inga dama fana. What's that 38? Choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers. What's that AK? Ukala inga dama fana. What's that 38? Choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers. Shale, Kali, Gada, oh, these niggas be shooting for copper, oh, they say they shake away, 38 caliber. You are in trouble, my niggas gon' chop you. Malugu so paradam, mkogi ngugu shisa banda, betting God yo kalikani. AKA kala boy, funi kolite bafana. Talking kolite cop, kolite li hamba ngedambo, spiti kolite msocha, kolite li hamba ngekadu. Babu meow, pulled up with the bull like a matador. Only see is red and got me smelling blood. Say you wanted war, got soldiers at your door. What's that AK? What's that 38? What's that AK? Ukala inga dama fana. What's that 38? Choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers. What's that AK? Ukala inga dama fana. What's that 38? Choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and coppers and coppers and coppers and coppers. If they don't chop you, my niggas will drop you. Security do the killing, If you don't, I do the killing, Do the shit for the family, Senza lento for Ringani, Do the shit for our sons, Legacy for Rabashan, Police be charging my blood, Like Frank, Doing the shit for Umlo, Benjamin Frank, Police charging my blood, Like Frank, All of the shit is for Umlo, Benjamin Frank. Pulled up with the bull like a matador. Only see is red and got me smelling blood. Say you wanted war, got soldiers at your door. What's that AK? What's that 38? What's that AK? Ukala inga dama fana. What's that 38? Choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers. What's that AK? Ukala inga dama fana. What's that 38? Choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and choppers and
Are you hosting a party?
Are you hosting a funeral? Or you hosting a wedding? For the best sound system, call J Entertainment. J Entertainment, the sound providers you can trust.
Ooh. AC. Top being no chase. Putting cheese up on your face. Man, I told you it is safe. Got some lime and cold case. You eat the cold one. For the zone, get the case. Man, it's a cold. Putting cheese up on your face. He started running. Man, I told you it is safe. He started running. That's a lime and cold case. Man, it's a cold one. Makasi about to pull up, they know. Nteo clinic is a health room. Had to pull up a Chico. Now the system is overload. Shandy's from a gossip dog. Not that God flow, it's that element dog. That tick dog. Timing matters when you face this dog. This that coating, let a nigga hold things. Give me that whole thing. From that 9 to 5, not too much bling. Back, toss that bill. Man, I want it all, feeling nausea. Gotta call Rato, she's the plaga. I know she gives the oath for the blackers. Top being no chase. Putting cheese up on your face. Man, I told you it is safe. That's a llama cold case. It's a cold. What is that, Gully? Putting cheese up on your face. Man, I told you it is safe. Got a llama cold case. It's the Shandies. You'd swear this was meditated on higher levels with the grades. Talking OGs, talking pro kid, donkey sunny, we safe. If you work today, that Shandies will stay beyond the grave like an animal. Do you choose the jungle or the cage? I choose to stay up in the jungle, work my way up the hustle and keep safe. It's been today. I've never missed a rain, so be careful what you say. This is me, this is AC, losing brains. Up till the sun goes down with the 619. If you ever wanna wrestle, ready when the sun goes up that hill, don't spill that glass though. Really good photo, you can keep your lean. This is my damn flow. AC, come 14. Ooh, it's station.
Are you hosting a party?
Are you hosting a funeral? Or you hosting a wedding? For the best sound system, call J Entertainment. J Entertainment, the sound providers you can trust.
Wake in the morning, you know it's a hustle. You know it's a hustle. If my learning is a fill up it trust. Umakoko yakhala, I told her the hush. Yeah, I told her the hush. I might take it up, please don't show me too much. Please don't show me too much. Mangu in when I open my eyes, I see the same roof, Yamazenke. I visualize Okizinto, I know I'm God, my nigga, Assam. I sense a connecting for real, my nigga. Yeah. This ain't me for the weak, losing the color of my chain, nigga. Don't know, I guess that I need me a piece. The piece on my neck doesn't say who I am. The question to ask is really who I isn't. Behind the melanin is quantum phases. Move up with money chases, really digits. Sting I ain't cash, talking for my niggas. Sting I ain't cash for digital printing. We see the way we get on the charts. We keep it trending, to change on the course. Trap I got cool for God, I need the course. Jump on my horses. Yeah. Can you handle my horses? Yeah, let's go. Asam, yeah, I nigga bang bang, yo, yeah, mina nizam, let's go, yeah. With the numbers, don't follow the number. Born in the 7, they gave me the 9. The first one is perfect, the 20 divine. Gave me for ether, the less of my time. Then it perfect, the perfect design. This way is Lucifer, now this is Ra. This a morning star, goes okay. Yeah, goes okay. Wake in the morning, you know it's a hustle. It's a hustle. If my learning is a fill up it trust. Umakoko yakhala, I told her the hush. Yeah, I told her the hush. I might take it up, please don't show me too much. Please don't show me too much. Wake in the morning, you know it's a hustle. Yeah, it's a hustle. If my learning is a fill up it trust. Umakoko yakhala, I told her the hush. Yeah, I told her the hush. I might take it up, please don't show me too much. The 808 leader and you can amass. You niggas is cheesy, I'm tripping the minds. I'm a raw dog, I don't fucks with the corpos. Fuck straight like sheep core. Straight line, no detour. Like cornrows from 04. Petty style as dusting. Fake chains with real G's. Daydream about Rolls Royce. My situation, it can't be. My ego eat it asam. Abagiti keep me woke. My singlala good is coming. Always gotta put work in. Work hard till you can't get. Ya can't get tolagala. Let's go.
Are you hosting a party?
Are you hosting a funeral? Or you hosting a wedding? for the best sound system, call J Entertainment. J Entertainment, the sound providers you can trust.